Hello guys, today I want to show you how replace the RAM in the HP DL380 G8. This is my 32 gigabyte RAM here, and I want to replace it with the 16 gigabyte RAM. Okay, for unbox the cover of the case of the server, we have to push here. Here you are. I removed the plug of the power to turn it off. Okay, and I have to remove the cover of the fan. Here I have a 8 RAM here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and I want to replace it with this RAM here. Before to install, we have to check the where we should to place the RAM. This is infrastructure. This is a instruction where we should to put the RAM inside the slot. It's the motherboard of the server divided two parts, P1 and P2. Let me show you. This is the P1. This is the P1 area and P2. And if you see channel 1, channel 2, and channel 1 and channel 2, we have to replace first A in the P1 and A in a P2. It's located on a server. A is here. This is a P1 area, and this is if I not make a mistake, channel 1, channel 2, channel 3, and channel 4, and this is here this is a P2, and this is a A1 in the P2. This is the A1 and A1, and we replace the B2 B in a P1, and this is a B in a P2. See here, A and B and B. For to remove it, we have to release the bottom here. Let me show you. Yeah, that's it. And I want to replace it with here, but we have to be careful. This is we have to match the slot with the slot, and here and here. You see, I can't. I have to replace it. See here with here. I push in the two side gently, and when I push it, the here is closed. That's it, and so on.